Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. The entire amount of employees' contribution along with interest thereon towards their EPF in lump sum for crediting to the board's account employees' contribution along with interest is to be deposited with the board for crediting to his her GFF account. Stop para. Similarly, the above benefit will also be available to the pensioners recipients of family pension of the board on the same terms and conditions, with the exception that they will have to deposit the amount contributed by the board as employees' contribution towards EPF along with interest thereon in lump sum full stop. The pensioners recipients of family pension will have to give an affidavit to the fact that he/she will not claim any interest on the area of pensionary benefits which become payable due to adoption of the state government circular. Stop. The pensioners recipient of family pension will submit their option within 3 months from the date of its issue of this circular for availing pensionary benefits to the head of the office last attended. Stop. The option once exercised will be final. Stop. In case option is not given within the stipulated period of 3 months, it will be presumed that he/she intends to continue to be a member of EPF. Stop para. These instructions may please be got noted from all the employees and acknowledged and receipt of the letter. Stop. Under Secretary within bracket PW bracket off for Additional Secretary HSEB Panchkula. Stop para. The period for option was further extended. Stop. Certain circulars were further issued on 9th August 1994. Stop. The respondent in the above case contended that he had no knowledge about the instructions, hence he could not exercise his option for grant of pensionary benefits within the prescribed time limit. Stop. The writ petition filed by the respondent was allowed by the Punjab and Haryana High Court by recording a finding that appellant had failed produce any record showing that in the instructions dated 6/8/1993 and 9/8/1999 were actually got noted in writing from the respondent. Stop. The said findings has become recorded in paragraph 13 is to the following effect, semicolon, para. The division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, after hearing the learned counsel for the parties at length, came to the definite conclusion that the appellants had failed to produce any record showing that the instructions dated 6/8/1999 and 9/8/1994 were actually got noted in writing from the respondent. Stop. The High Court further observed that in the absence of any such material can well be inferred that the respondent had no knowledge about the options called by the appellants while circulars dated 6/8/1993 and 9/8/1994. Stop. The High Court also observed that would be unreasonable to deny pensionary benefits to the respondent despite the said circulars issued by the appellants. Stop para. Ultimately, this court dismisses the appeal, relying on the finding of the High Court that the appellant had failed to produce any record showing that the instructions were actually got noted in writing from the respondent stop para. The above case was decided on the strength of specific instructions contained in circulars dated 6/8 1993 and 9/8 1994. Stop. Both the above instructions contained following as one of the clauses semicolon para. These instructions may please be got noted from all the employees and acknowledged and receipt of the letter stop. Thus, noting by the employees and acknowledged and receipt was a condition incorporated in the instructions itself, and due to breach of the said instructions benefit was given to the respondent in the said case. The above case has no application in the facts of the present case, where the regulations do not contain any such requirement of personal service of notice, whereas Annexure R3 indicates that corporation stop